If you want to go viral on Instagram or YouTube, do this as soon as you can. The niche I'm about to show you is not competitive yet, so it's better to act fast before it gets more saturated. At the end of this video, I will share a secret that the big YouTubers are hiding from you. After I learned this secret, I was able to get 13,000 subscribers within a month. Without further ado, let's get into this new niche. The niche I'm about to show you today is the mythology niche. I did some research and found out that no other YouTuber has done videos about this niche, not a single one. So, if you see a similar video for this niche after this, it's probably a copy of this video. In this video, I will guide you through everything and every process. After that, you will be able to create a channel in this niche and create long and short videos without any issues. Let me show you some sample YouTube channels in this niche. This channel, which is See You in History, has more than 2 million subscribers. The crazy thing is videos like this can be easily created by the power of AI. They have posted around 1,600 videos. That's a huge number. Let's see how much they earn. According to Social Blade, they make between $1,000 to $1,600 a month. Let me show you a sample video I created for this niche, then we can start the process.
Greetings, Mythic Minds explorers. Today, our journey takes us to the heart of ancient Egypt, where the sands whisper tales of gods and pharaohs. Prepare to be enraptured as we unveil the story of one of the most enigmatic deities, Anubis, the guardian of the afterlife. Long ago, in the realm of the Nile,
one of the best things about this niche is that it's not limited. We can create a lot of videos for different mythologies. As an example, Norse mythology, Greek mythology, Spartan, Egypt, etc. That's why I recommend this niche. Let's start our process. First, we need a name and description for this channel. As usual, we can use ChatGPT for that. Simply ask for 10 name ideas for a YouTube channel related to the mythology niche. We have 10 name ideas, and I really like this one, which is Pantheon Pulse. Let's ask for a description of this channel as well. Give me a small description for a YouTube channel about mythologies. Okay, I think we can use this description for our channel. Now we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI similar to Midjourney, but it's very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu and select the number of generations. And then simply type this prompt. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel. By changing different types of characteristics, you can get different types of logo ideas. So, if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can change the prompt and try again. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create Design and select YouTube Banner. This banner should be simple and clean. In this side menu, you can see that there are a lot of templates. We can select a suitable one and edit it according to our niche. Or we can add a background image from the elements. We don't need a fancy banner, a simple banner would be good. Go to Elements and let's find some dark background. I think we can use this image and adjust its size according to dimensions. And let's add a text layer as well. Let's just type mythologies around the world. We can change this font to a suitable font style. I think this is enough. If you want, you can use Leonardo AI to generate a suitable background image. Just change the image size from here to 1024 pixels for width and 512 pixels for height, and generate an image. Then select the suitable image and upload it to Canva. You can use it as the background. Now we have a logo and a banner for this channel. Let's go to the most important part, which is creating videos. First, we need a script for this video. There are 2 ways to do it. The first method is, you can search on Google and find suitable stories about the mythologies, then turn them into your own words and create a unique script. Or you can just simply use ChatGPT to create a script. Let me show you how to do that. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. As for this example video, I'm going to make a video related to the Egyptian god Anubis. As you can see here, we have an amazing script for this video. The next step is to create voiceovers. For this video, I will use 11 Labs for this. If you want to know about similar text-to-speech AI generators, watch this video. A lot of you guys ask that. If we use AI voices, can we monetize our channel? The answer is yes, you can monetize your channel by using AI voices. So don't worry about it. We will use 11 Labs to make voiceovers. It's not free, but they will give free 10,000 characters. That's more than enough for 3 videos. If you can afford the paid plan in 11 labs, use it. It has a feature where you can clone your voice. So basically, it will make an AI voice generate similar to your voice. This is just an alternative. You can select a suitable voice from these settings. There are a lot of voices for different types of things, such as if you want to create a kids YouTube channel, there are kids voices. If you want to create a motivational channel, there are a lot of deep voices. For this video, I will need a deep voice, but not too deep. I'm going to select this AI called Michael. I think this voice is good for this video. So, copy the generated script part by part like this and generate the voice. It will sound like this.
Greetings, Mythic Minds explorers. Today, our journey takes us to the heart of ancient Egypt, where the sands whisper tales of gods and pharaohs.
I think that sounds more realistic and it's really good for this video. Generate voiceovers for all parts of this script and download all of those. Now let's go to the next important step, which is finding suitable stock videos and images for the videos. So why is this so important? I have seen a lot of new channels using only AI-generated images for their videos, but according to YouTube's new policies, that type of content cannot be monetized. So, in order to overcome this issue, we need to be creative and put some effort into editing these videos. Pexel.com is one of the best places to find stock videos. It's a free website. Select videos from this search menu and search for suitable videos. For this video, we will need some ancient, darker, and pyramid-related videos. Make sure to download several videos because, as I mentioned earlier, we can't use only images. That's why we are going to use both images and videos. After you download all the stock videos you need, let me show you how to generate suitable images for this topic. As usual, I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this process. Now you need to listen to your script several times and create images for those scenarios. As an example, this video is about Egypt mythology and Anubis, so we need images with pyramid and Anubis god. Read your script a few times and you can create images suitable for it. Make sure that these images are eye-catching and those should be able to grab your viewer's attention. So, according to your scenario, you can build the prompt. You just need to type all the characteristics that you would like to include in the image. After you create all the images, we need one last thing, which is background music for this video. Pixabay is the best website for copyright-free music. For this one, I would prefer some tensing or scary music. Once you find the best music for your video, download it. Now we have all the things to edit this video. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. It's a free video editing software, and you can download it to your computer or mobile. In this video, I'm going to use desktop version of CapCut. After you download it, open a new project. On the side of the screen, you can see a button called Modify. Just click it, and you can change your project name and select a suitable size for your video, which is 16:9 ratio. After that, click this Import button and import all the images, voiceovers, music, and videos to this editor. First, drag all voiceovers to the timeline like this, and make sure they are in the correct order. Then drag the video footage above it, and then you can follow these steps, just do it like do. I will just add images here and there as well. Make sure to add the images in a suitable place with the script. Just take your time to edit this part, because this is really important. You need to put much effort into making this video look better. If not, you can't monetize it according to new policies. So, just spend some time arranging these videos and images in a suitable order. After that, go to transitions and add transitions in between these videos and images. It will improve the quality of the video. There are a lot of transitions in CapCut. That's why I used CapCut to edit these videos. It's really simple. All you need to do is drag and drop. After adding all transitions, you must add some video effects as well. Go to effects and add effects like this. By adding these suitable effects, your video will look like a professional level edit. So you don't have to worry about getting demonetized. Add as much as effect you want, but make sure it is suitable for your niche. After you complete that process, we need captions. Go to text from the top menu and select auto captions. Just select your language as English and generate the caption. It will automatically generate the captions. Then we can edit these captions as well. Select the captions and you will see this menu. You can change the fonts, text colors, and text effects from this menu. It's really simple. Make sure to edit your captions in an interesting way so that your viewers will not get bored. Also, you can add text animations. It will improve the quality of your video. After you edit the caption, you can add the background music to the timeline like this. And make sure to reduce its volume. Your viewers should be able to hear the voiceover clearly. After doing all these things, you can export your video. I know that even if we use AI, this process will take some time, but you can do that right. Just follow those steps exactly like I said, and I'm sure your channel will be monetized. Let me tell you the secret I mentioned earlier. A lot of new YouTube channels didn't get subscribers and views due to one simple mistake. It's that they don't know what their audience wants. Even if they identify the audience, they make videos without doing any research, so they create videos that their audience is not interested in. So, when you upload a video like that, if your audience didn't watch it, the YouTube algorithm thinks that your video sucks, so it's not going to recommend your video anymore. Don't make that mistake again, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.